How you doing? My name is Gianni. I'm going to be your student physical therapist today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a couple neck range of motion, kind of see how you're feeling there, and then we're going to get to your wrist and do a couple things there. Is that okay?
Sure.
Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to start out with is just looking at how your neck moves, and then I'll kind of assess. We'll go both sides. I'll kind of walk here, walk to the side, see how it's looking. So first I just want you here and then looking down. Looking down, good, and then coming back up. And we'll do that again, good. Back up, good. And now we're gonna start here and then we're gonna extend and look all the way up to the ceiling. Down, back here. And one more time, good. Good, awesome. Okay, then next what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go bending, so trying to touch your ear to your shoulder. That side, good, and then back to the center, and then try to touch your ear to the other side, good, perfect. Do it one more time each side, side there, good, side there, good. Okay, I would say both flexion, extension on forward, flexion, extension look normal, and then your right and left, rotate look normal. Or flexion look normal. Now we're gonna do rotation. So we're gonna go here, and then you're just gonna try to move just your neck, and then go all the way as far as you can go there. Good, perfect, and then back to center, and then we're gonna go this way. Good, and then back to center. And we'll go one more time. Here, good, perfect, and then back to center. Perfect. I would say those are in normal ranges as well. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna move to the wrist. Just gonna bring the camera over here. So right here, I'm just gonna take a couple measurements for us. So if we just wanna place our arm on the table here. So what we're gonna do here is I'm just gonna measure how far your wrist can bend backwards, okay? So perfect, so I'm gonna locate the triquetrum here, and then we're gonna go even with the fifth pole there, and then even with the electron on here. So what I'm gonna have you do is I'm just gonna stabilize this here, and then I'm just gonna push up on your hand, okay? You just let me move you. Good, and then one more time. Boom. Perfect, okay, and then can we keep it there? Does that feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So we're gonna do, let's go in there. Up. Good, okay, so I got a reading of 62 degrees, which is in a normal range, so that works. Perfect. And next we're gonna do is we're just do another measurement. So you just put your hand back on the table here. And what we're gonna do here is I'm just gonna line up this again for the measurement, and I just want you to go as far as you can towards your thumb side, but just moving the wrist, so not moving any other part of your arm when you're going here. So perfect, whenever you're ready. Go in there, and then come back, and go in again. Perfect, and we're just gonna hold it right there. Just in the middle here, and then following that third metacarpal. Feeling okay there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Perfect, okay. And that's 17 degrees there, which I would say that's in a normal range, maybe a little low, but it looks good there. Perfect, okay, and then the next thing we're gonna do is I'm just gonna test your muscles. So I'm gonna test your muscles in this position here. So we're gonna have your arm like this, like a right angle here. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna be holding arm right here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to rotate your arm into palm facing down, okay? So I just wanna test the muscles. So if you just wanna do that real quick, boom, and then coming back here. Good. Back here. Okay, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get right in here And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to, like I said, rotate you down here. So what I want you to do is just try to hold against me. Don't let me move you, okay?
Okay.
All right, ready? Hold, 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 hold. Good. We'll go one more time. Hold, 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 hold. Good. Awesome. Perfect. And then we would do this on both sides. I can do the manual test right here. Okay, so same thing. I just want to feel this here, so I'll let you have it go down here. Good. Okay. And then same thing. So what I'm going to do, don't let me move you when I go. Okay, ready? Hold, 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 hold. Good. And then one more. Ready? Hold, 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 hold. Good. I would say 5 out of 5 on both of those there. And then I would do wrist extension, range of motion, and then wrist flexion, range of motion on both sides, or wrist radial deviation on both sides. Okay, and then I'm just gonna look at a couple landmarks on your body and just kind of identify them, okay? So right here, we're gonna go back to the wrist here. So we're gonna do the triquetrum. So I'm gonna have your hand here. So first, let's see if we can go right here. So first I'm gonna palpate the pisiform, and then I'm just gonna go just slightly medial, and I'm gonna feel for that bone right in here, there. And that would be the triquetrum. And then for the ulnar styloid, I'm gonna go down this side here, go to the distal part of the ulna, and then it's just gonna be on this side, right in here. Good, perfect. And then the last couple things we're gonna do is I'm just gonna check a couple landmarks on neck and head area. So first what I'm gonna do is I will do your mastoid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna look at your earlobe and just slightly distally down. Just find that area right in there, and I can feel it. Good. Feel okay there?
Mm-hmm.
And then the next one I'm gonna do is the mandible angle. So I'm just gonna follow up here, and then I feel when that angle starts to come here, and I can palpate that right, this area there. And then if you face the wall here, please. And then I'm gonna look for the C2 spinous process. So I'm gonna start at, is it okay if I put you here? And then occiput here. And then I'm just gonna follow that down until I feel my first bony prominence, which is right in there, which would be the C2 spinous process. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.